Imagine waking up one morning and finding out that you can't withdraw or deposit a single penny from your account. Sounds scary, right? Well, this is exactly what just happened with WinWinPay. And today, I'm going to tell you why. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We have breaking news about WinWinPay, a platform used by thousands of people worldwide. Please stay with me till the end of this video, because this update is extremely important and directly affects all WinWinPay members. Recently, WinWinPay has become the target of massive bot and hacker attacks. These cyber attacks did not only put pressure on the security and stability of WinWinPay's own systems, but also caused financial damage to some of their iGaming partners. Due to this serious situation, the WinWinPay management team has made a tough but necessary decision. All financial activities on WinWinPay are temporarily suspended. This includes deposits, staking, unstaking, and withdrawals. According to the official announcement, the team is now carrying out a complete review and upgrade of their systems. The goal is to make WinWinPay more secure, transparent, and resistant to future cyber threats. They have assured the community that this decision was not taken lightly, but it is necessary to safeguard users and ensure the stability of the platform. The management team has also confirmed that the next major update and final action plan will be announced on September 6, 2025. Until then, users are requested to remain patient and cooperative while the company works hard to resolve this issue. So the big question is, will WinWinPay come back stronger, or is this the beginning of the end? Only time will tell. That's all for today's update. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the official news on September 6th. Thanks for watching and stay safe.